Hi, in this video I will show you how to use WinCC Unified and MQTT to read and write to tags in Siemens PLC. We will use PC with MQTT Broker, C# application as the client and API for WinCC Unified. Next task will be to read counters from our PLC. Each counter will count product on our simulation. Let's begin. Link to add in for WinCC is in video description and comment section. Once downloaded, open it and run. Follow default instructions. WinCC Unified Provider Add works with Unified PC device. We will add it first. Add generic IP card so IP address can be assigned. Now we need to activate our MQTT add-in. To open MQTT setup, right-click on your WinCC device, then in menu go to Northbound and Next MQTT configuration. If window like this opens, then we're ready to build our application. Product is counted on each lift level, and values are stored in dB. We will add tags to HMI and as well create WinCC fields to show data. WinCC started, and we can see counter tags are working. We can now configure MQTT. This is our MQTT provider configuration. On the left, we have HMI tags. To organize our tags, I will create folders for counters and for control tags. Let's configure MQTT connection. I use my local host, so IP is 127.alt.1, using unsecure connection with port 1883, leaving rest of the settings as default. I can open now MQTT Explorer to check if our messages are sent. Setting hashtag as topic name will let me to subscribe to all topics. We can subscribe to individual topic too. In MQTT provider, we can see topic name. We do not see messages because I made a mistake. I need to change my control tags to subscribe option and counter tags to publish. Now we can try to connect again. Let's wait, and we should see messages coming when value of the tag changes in PLC. Here is the first one. It is our top counter value. Got another messages coming. That confirms that WinCC Unified publishes our values to MQTT broker. To test start-stop from MQTT client, I have prepared C# application. In settings, I only need to set specific topic to read or write to the tag. Values now start showing up. Next is to publish start and stop from MQTT client. Tags will be assigned to these two buttons. But first I need to get topic name. Let's press the first button for start. New message arrived to broker. Our control start changed value to true. Same for stop button. For final test, we check if our simulation starts and stops from MQTT client. We pressed start and lift is running. Great. We can try to stop it. And it is success. That's it for this video. If you're learning industrial automation with me, subscribe to Antimatics and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything.